And one of the largest nonprofit veterinary groups in the country wants pet owners to focus on dental care. That's because it's often overlooked and it can lead to serious medical issues. Dr. Virginia Moulet is a senior medical director at Emancipet. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Yes, absolutely. Tell us why our pets' oral health is so important, please.
Oral health is really important for our pets because, if you think about it, your dog isn't brushing their teeth every day. So they can get a buildup of plaque and tartar on their teeth, which you might see. And what's even worse is that disease, it can cause pain in their mouth, and it can also spread to their kidneys, liver, or other places and cause infections or inflammation that can lead to even more serious diseases.
Yeah, it's not just bad breath we need to worry about, right? So what are the symptoms often overlooked by pet owners?
So some of the things you can look out for would be redness in their gums, buildup on their teeth is one of the biggest ones. You might see that they're having trouble eating, especially hard or crunchy foods. They might struggle with that, or they might even refuse to eat it. And then the other thing people always tell me is, oh, my dog has bad breath. And that can absolutely be a sign of dental disease, but also even our dogs with great health don't always have great breath, so.
No, for sure. And and vet care has gotten so expensive. You and I were discussing this. What does Emancipet offer to offset the rising costs?
So we are a nonprofit network of clinics, and we offer all of our care at affordable, below market prices. We're able to do that by fundraising to make up some of the difference in our costs. And our goal is to provide high quality access to this care. So there are certain things we can't do, but for everything we can do, we make sure the cost is low. We also have some financial options for owners if even those costs are too high.
So can you give us some examples of what do y'all offer dental care?
Absolutely. So at our Austin Dental and Surgical Center, we offer dental care, which includes anesthetized dental cleanings and extractions, which is the type of routine care that most pets need. We do blood work before to make sure that they're safe for anesthesia, and it's really pretty much the equivalent of what you might get at a more traditional veterinary clinic.
Wow, that would save a pet owner a lot of money potentially.
Absolutely, and our goal is to save you money on the things that we can so that you can save up for those emergency expenses or for the things that we don't cover.
One of the reasons pet owners don't, and I'm speaking just for myself, can't brush their dog's teeth. They won't sit still, and my dog hates it. So I've come up with the alternative, but I wanted an expert to weigh in. What can people do if their dogs and cats don't like their teeth getting brushed?
Absolutely. So one thing is to take it really slowly. Obviously, brushing teeth is kind of a weird thing for them. So you might just start by putting some peanut butter on a toothbrush and getting your dog to lick it, and do that for even a couple of weeks until they really like that toothbrush. Then you slowly go to brushing. If none of that works, there are some pets that just won't accept it. You can always use approved dental chews or other things to try and decrease the tartar.
Listen, that's what we have to do. Buddy, I'm talking to you. I know you're watching. We have to put a special toothpaste on a dental treat. That is the only way he'll eat it. And then at night, there's a rinse to kill all the bacteria. So there you go. I had to learn that the hard way. Thank you. So anything else viewers need to know about their oral health of their pets?
Not really, just oral care is recommended even in a preventative fashion. So even if you don't think your pet has a problem, we recommend getting in for that dental so that we can take x-rays and figure out if something needs to be addressed.
Pets need to see the vet at least once a year, correct?
Absolutely.
All right, just like people. Thank you so much, Dr. Moulet.